Hello writers, and welcome to Writing with Sky. Today we're going to be learning about a poetry form called the sonnet. The sonnet has a long history, from Petrarch and Shakespeare until more recently my favorite American poetess, Edna St. Vincent Millay. My favorite thing about the sonnet is that it's unpredictable in its form, and also you can feel like you're adding to its long history. So before you write a sonnet, you want to make sure that you keep track of the lines. Sonnets sometimes rhyme, sometimes they don't rhyme, but they'll always have 14 lines. So the first thing we're going to do is write down on our paper lines 1 through 12 in one color. I'm going to choose red today. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are all going to be listed in one color because they're all going to really be talking about a subject from the same perspective. So for example, one of my favorite sonnets talks about, it's by William Shakespeare, and he talks about how the woman that he loves, she doesn't seem very special to other people. She seems kind of like an ordinary person, and she's not someone that people would really pick out of a crowd. But once he hits line 12, he shares with you that actually she's incredibly special. People just don't realize it. So right around line 12, you're going to experience in your sonnet something called a turn. And you're going to write the last two numbers in a different color. This is because the sonnet will describe a subject from one perspective for the first 12 lines, and then at the turn, for the last two lines, it'll kind of shift its idea a little bit. So what I recommend you do with the sonnet is that you try to think of something maybe that you found really challenging or that you were really scared to do, and write for the first 12 lines about how hard it was, how nervous you were. And then for those last two lines, these two lines, which are called the final couplet, you're going to turn the perspective. And you're going to write about how you were able to learn that thing or conquer your fears. I'm so curious to hear what you come up with. So jump on board, get your pens ready, and use your imagination. More next time. Bye!